Good morning and welcome back here to Punta Cana. All you can see, we are here today at Macau Beach, and Doro and myself, we want to go surfing. There are two surf schools here at the beach of Macau. One is directly behind us, and the other one is further down. And we want to go and check out the prices and if it's possible today. So let's get going. So we are here at the Macao Surfcamp, and we're going to do the course with this guys here. It's a little bit windy today. There are a few waves, so I guess it's gonna be a lot of fun. Macao Surfcamp website. Here you find all the information, the lessons, the private, the group, the individual, day camp, the prices, and as well you can contact them. They have a contact page. If you want to add your transfer, just send them an email. Ocean friendly sun protection, but as well we got a shirt to put on here so we won't burn on the water. Listo. Always stay in the middle, be relaxed, be in swimming mode, and everything will turn out good. The explanations are in English or Spanish, and then he really shows good what you have to do, so it's as well self-explaining where to put your foot and how to get up, so this is very easy for beginners to understand. Now it's Doro's turn. Wow, Senora, no. Okay. Go. Und jetzt die Arme, Ja, Doro. Okay. Damit du das Gleichgewicht halten kannst. Okay.
Go.
Yay!
Okay, listos. Al agua.
The technical part is over. Now we're going into the ocean to swallow a lot of salt water and have even more fun. The surf school's crew decides where to take the beginners into the water. They check the waves and just find the best spot along the beach. We walked past the Dreams Macau beach a little bit further, and then we started surfing there.
Don't you feel like breaking free? Open your eyes, embrace what you see now. Don't you feel like cutting loose? Yeah, cutting loose, cutting loose. I'm alive, I do die. My mind stretched out on the canopy. My dreams getting bigger than you and me. I'm alive, I do die.
Thank you for watching Punta Cana. All you can see, that's it for today. Surfing here at Macau Beach at the Macao Surfcamp. They have at Macau Beach here are 2 surf camps. This is one Macau Surfcamp directly here at the parking place at the marina. The other one is more in the middle. And if you ask me, if you always wanted to try it like we did, it's a lot of fun. We felt very good. They gave us the practice, the service, one by one. Everybody felt safe, and if you need a break, you get a break. So Dodo surfed the whole time, me not. Yeah, but it is a lot of fun. There she is laughing. There she is laughing still. If you like the video, I'm happy if you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So I see you then in the next video here at Punta Cana, all you can see.